Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. It appears that the case summary page has been updated in Idaho versus Kohberger on May 14th, 2025 at approximately 2:06 p.m. local time by the Ada County Clerk of Court. It is now 92 pages in length. You have to go to the last page, page number 92, and you will see the three records. The first, May 13th, 2025, date of filing. It is motion to redact or seal newly filed records. And this is a state motion to seal Exhibit S's and Sam 1 to state's motion to reclaim exhibits. This is a public record. We know that because it has the PDF icon next to it, and that indicates to us that it will pop up on the public docket at some point. It has not as of yet. The second document is a sealed document. We know that because it has the lock and key icon next to it. It was also filed May 13th, 2025. It is described as the subject document motion to redact or seal newly filed record. This is sealed Exhibit S's and Sam 1 to state's motion to reclaim exhibits. So this appears to be the sealed document associated with the motion that we just noted on the case summary page. Again, they were both dated May 13th, 2025. Then we see an item dated today, May 14th, 2025. It is simply entitled Notice. It does not tell us if this is a state of Idaho or a defense filing. As you know, we have been waiting for the defense's offers of proof. They were court ordered to be filed by May 14th, 2025, today. These are the offers of proof of any alternate perpetrators to Mr. Kohberger. This may be that document. It may not be. It is difficult to know because there is no explanation as to what this notice of compliance is for. If it is complying with the court's order of last month, April of 2025, when Mr. Kohberger was ordered to file this information by May 14th, 2025, in time for discussion tomorrow at the May 15th final pretrial conference. We also note that there is no motion for extension of time that was filed by Mr. Kohberger prior to the filing of this notice of compliance. So we know that if this is not the notice of compliance with the court's order regarding the offers of proof, that it should be forthcoming at some point, May 14th, 2025. Perhaps it was not filed at the time of the update of the case summary page, as we said, at 2:06 p.m., or then again, perhaps it's this document. We will now await to see when these two public records, including the notice of compliance, hit the docket, and when they do, we will update you. We wanted to also advise you that tomorrow we're going to have a brief live commencing at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 8:30 a.m. Mountain Time, or the time in Boise when the final pretrial conference is scheduled to commence. It is entitled Our Live People of the State of Idaho versus Brian C. Kohberger. It will be on our YouTube channel. I have a link attached in the description to this podcast episode, and you are all invited to attend. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us today.